Role of homeopathy in health problems in rainy season. Homeopathy may be used to address certain conditions or symptoms associated with this time of year. Here are a few examples: colds, coughs, and respiratory infections. Homeopathic remedies may be used to alleviate symptoms like sore throat, cough, nasal congestion, and watery eyes that are commonly associated with respiratory infections during the rainy season. Allergies. Homeopathy offers remedies for symptoms of allergic rhinitis, such as sneezing, itching, and a runny nose that may be triggered by allergens like damp weather, mold, or pollen. Digestive issues. Homeopathic remedies may be used to address digestive problems such as indigestion, diarrhea, and vomiting that can occur due to contaminated water, foodborne illnesses, or changes in diet during the rainy season. Skin conditions. Homeopathy provides options for managing skin problems like fungal infections, eczema, or dermatitis that may worsen due to increased humidity and moisture during the rainy season. It is important to remember that homeopathy is a highly individualized form of treatment, and the selection of remedies depends on the specific symptoms and the unique constitution of each individual. Consulting with a qualified homeopath is crucial for proper diagnosis and appropriate remedy selection.